In this video, we'll be telling about how to find QR code of any Telegram channel and how to share it with others. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, select the channel of which you want to find QR code. For example, I'm selecting this channel. After selecting that channel, above you can see that channel's name. Click on that channel's name. When you're clicking on that, here you can see info section. In info, you can see that channel's link, and next to that you can see one QR code sign. Click on that QR code sign. When you're clicking on that, you can see that channel's QR code. If you want to change this style, you can do that. Anyways, after that, if you want to share this QR code with others, down here you can see share QR code option. Click on share QR code. When you're clicking on that, you can see options to share. If you want to share this through WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram or any other social media applications, you can do that. When you're sharing that, if anyone is scanning that QR code, they will reach this Telegram channel, and if they want, they can join that Telegram channel. So this way you can easily find QR code of any Telegram channel and share with others. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.